Taiwan is the issue creating the most tension right now between Beijing and the US. The full picture is that we are seeing the United States getting more and more serious about the situation in this part of the world. We could no longer be the United States, the ultimate confrontation, a coordinated attack, investment of $13 billion. USS Gerald R.Ford's new weapon is ready to beat China and save Taiwan. Tensions are escalating in the vast Western Pacific as China moves forward with its plans to invade Taiwan, challenging the presence of US forces and asserting dominance. China's territorial claims extend beyond Taiwan, now encompassing the South China Sea, where it exerts control over 90% of its vast expanse. China has employed various aggressive tactics such as expanding islets with dredgers, fortifying them with military-grade infrastructure, and deploying missiles and aircraft to establish its dominance. This behavior raises concerns among neighboring countries who feel marginalized by China's heavy-handed approach. Recent incidents involving Chinese military actions highlight the increasing danger faced by American troops in the region, from harassing US warships to engaging in risky encounters with intelligence-gathering aircraft. China's aggressive behavior in international waters is a cause for concern. For instance, the Chinese destroyer Suzhou dangerously approached the US-guided missile destroyer USS Chang'un, forcing the American vessel to take evasive action. Similar events in the past illustrate China's refusal to acknowledge the rights of foreign military forces, particularly those supporting Taiwan. Additionally, a U.S. Air Force RC-135 Rivet Joint Intelligence Collection aircraft reported an unsafe encounter with a Chinese fighter jet, further escalating the hazardous situation. Considering China's assertive behavior and the potential Taiwan invasion, it is evident that the United States needs to strengthen its military capabilities. Measures are being taken to bolster its Navy arsenal. The USS Gerald R.Ford with new powerful missiles is coming to win this war and save Taiwan. When it comes to aircraft carriers, two superpowers, the United States and China, are at the forefront of technological advancements. The US has the Gerald R. Ford-class nuclear-powered aircraft carriers, while China boasts its Type 001 Lion and Type 002 Shandong carriers. Let's delve into the features of each and draw a conclusion on which nation has the superior aircraft carrier. The USS Gerald R. Ford stands as a testament to American naval innovation and technological prowess. This nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, delivered to the U.S. Navy in May of 2017, showcases a remarkable investment of approximately $13 billion in its design and construction. With the displacement of around 100,000 tons, the Ford-class carriers are larger than their predecessors, offering enhanced operational capabilities. The USS Gerald R. Ford,